Avery, let me see your eyes. Hey, sweet girl. Yeah, there you go. One eye open. One eye open. Hey, precious. Hey, precious. Wake up. Wake up. She just ate. Look at your pretty hair. Has blonde highlights in it. Hi. You gonna wake up? You snoozing? You snoozing? Hey, sweet girl. Hey, sweet girl. Wake up. Oh, let me see your eyes. Let me see your eyes. Let me see your eyes. Here's your chin. I'm gonna get your chin. I'm gonna get your chin. I'm gonna get your nose. I'm gonna get your hair. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up, silly. Wake up. It's the middle of the day. Well, we gotta get you on a schedule. Wake up, sweet girl. Wake up, sweet girl. Here she is. Here she is. Come and play. Come and play, Avery. Come and play. Come and play. Nana's here. Hi. Hi. Just reached up for my hand. There's your hand. Yeah, there's your hand. Right here. Right here. Yeah, right here. Look at those long fingers. Look at those long fingers. Avery. Sweet baby. Hey. Hi. Right here. Hi. Oh, one eye? Do we only get one eye? Do we? Oh. What is it? Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Oh, perfect ears. Perfect ears. Hey, precious girl. Hey, precious girl. You gonna snooze? Oh, what's that? You dreaming? Tell me a story. Sing me a song. After she ate, she laid on my shoulder. No, I see little smiles. And she just cooed in my ear. So content. Hi. And sing me a song. Just sing me a song. Just one? No. That's a funny look. Here's your chin. Take the baby's chin. Give me a smile. Hello. I'm gonna sing a song now. My name is Avery. I'm gonna sing a song. Hey, silly girl. Hey, silly girl. Do you have a tickle spot? Get a tickle spot? I know. Hello. Oh, uh-oh. Nana, I'm gonna punch you. Nana, let me sleep or you're gonna get a knuckle sandwich. We having a fun time? Yeah. We get up every 2 hours together, huh? Yeah. Then Avery goes right back to sleep. She goes right back to sleep. Oh, sweet girl. Sweet girl. Try to catch her later when she's awake. Oh, does that feel good? She likes getting her hair washed. Hi. There's a lot of hair, huh? No baldy. Not baldy. Oh, sweet baby. Sweet baby. Sweet baby girl. Yeah. I'll let her sleep. Don't snore.